guys, I thought I'd make a video of a little attachment I made for the bike, for the Garmin. This Garmin is almost as old as the bike is, and it came with a normal Garmin attachment that was on the left hand side here. The problem with that is the attachment was quite high, so it interfered with the visor, and it was also outside my line of sight. So I decided to make another attachment, just a little ball attachment that goes onto the center of the steering wheel. Much nicer view. It's in line with the line of sight to the speedometer, which is much better than what I had previously. So some interesting machining. It's very difficult to turn a round ball in a lathe, so I made a ball turning attachment actually for something else a while ago, and that can machine a nice round ball in the lathe. And then the bottom of the attachment goes into the stem, which is a press fit, and then there's a securing nut underneath that holds the whole lot together. You can actually buy these things. You can get them on Amazon and the normal places. The problem is the chances of getting something delivered in my neck of the woods is about as good as the chance of getting service delivery by the government. So unfortunately the post office is really bad at delivering stuff, so it's actually better just to make something yourself. So yeah, this is going to be really nice for touring. It doesn't interfere with the tank bag or anything like that, and it doesn't bounce around as much as where it was before, so it's a lot more stable. Yeah, so I'm pretty chuffed with this. I'm looking forward to actually using it on a long trip. And the nice thing is the securing nuts at the bottom is a lot different to the ones that you buy sort of standard. The normal ones sort of expand inside the hole, where this is a press fit and it's locked from underneath. So unfortunately we have a problem at our robots, or traffic lights, what you guys call it, where the guys grab stuff, sort of your phone and your Garmin and stuff like that, and they run away. So the securing nut holds it in place, so it's not going to get liberated at a traffic light, which is always a good thing. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Something a little bit different. Thanks for watching.